Hey guys, welcome back. So this is part 4 of series how to use Clay. Today we are going to learn how we can use webhook inside clay.com and how webhook works. What is the main function of webhook? Okay, so first of all, how to create a webhook. So we can create it going to the tools and then searching for the webhook, but we are not going to do that because we already have data in this table. I'm going to create a new table where we will create a webhook. Let's click on the add and then search for webhook. Okay, so it's created the webhook, so it will give us the URL of the webhook, which is right here. We can just copy it from here. I just copied it, or we can cross it and click on the edit source. Then it will give us the same URL. If you somehow click the cross button, then you can go to the webhook and click on edit source to get it again. So let's just copy it. And how it works is, if you want to get data from some other tool inside Clay without any manual efforts, we use webhook. So let's go to Smart Lead. First of all, we will just go to the settings. In the webhook section, we just create a webhook, and then here it's asking us 3 to 4 things. I will explain each and everything. So first of all, webhook name, let's say test webhook. Okay, then we just paste the URL that we copied from the Clay, and then this is asking for association type, like what kind of association you want. Okay, so it has 3 options: campaign, client, or account level. Account level means event in any campaign will be sent to this webhook. If you go to the campaign, then it will ask us to select a specific campaign. We have 0 campaigns in this smart lead, so I will just click on the account level, and then for the event type we can select multiple. Like if the email is sent, then it will send the webhook, like to whom email is sent, by which user email is sent, all the data it will send via webhook to Clay. So this is all our options. Let's suppose we want email replies. Okay, I'm just going to click on this, and after that I'll just add it. Okay, so the webhook is added. For now I'll test this webhook if it's working. So I'll just click on the edit, and here is the send test to webhook. I'll just click on that. It says event successfully sent. So I'll just go here. See, we have received the webhook. So in this webhook, we are going to receive all this information, like which prospect replied, what is his name, what is his company, like all the information we added in this smart lead. It will get us here, even with the what he replied and from which campaign it was. So with all this stuff. So that's how we can use the webhook in order to remove the manual efforts. And then when webhook comes in, then we can analyze the data and we can do whatever we want from the data that we got from the webhook. So this is how webhook works. So if you learned something new, hit like button and keep supporting for more videos. Thank you. Bye.